That's weird. But okay, I'll do it anyways. Alright guys, so we are in Zurich, Switzerland. Hi, that's Solomon. Get out of it, please. Alright guys, so we are in Zurich, Switzerland. Yes, I am vlogging. It is happening. If you're new to my channel, I used to vlog, but I went through like, I don't like how it looks, so I went ahead and deleted it. But I wanted to start off nice by my trip here in Switzerland. So we're gonna be here for at least 4.5 days. So get ready for a lot of videos. Dude, this thing is so clear. Do you see it? There we go. Hey, Sally.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, but I'm not. I don't know about all that. What's, you want to go up there? What's that? You might have souvenirs in there.
Are you ready to eat?
Hey! You ruined it. Should've told me to put like eyeliner on or something. There's nothing there. The front camera is pretty good.
It's really good. Can you take a picture of me?
I'm doing a video. For the YouTube. We are in Interlaken to go snowboarding for Solomon, and I am going paragliding later. Look.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh.
Oh, there's you.
So guys, as you can tell, I'm not in the best mood, and that's because my paragliding was canceled, but it was due to too much wind, so I guess it's okay, but not really, because it's what I really wanted to do in Switzerland. But we will try tomorrow. If not, I'm not going paragliding, and it kind of sucks. Yeah. Okay, so honestly, I was in the room right now. I heard people, and I was like, it snowed! It's still snowing right now as I speak. Alright guys, so today is the last day of our trip. We are going to Broc to visit the Cailler Nestle workshop, chocolate workshop thing. I had to get tissues because my allergies are flaring up and I'm super red. As you guys know, I couldn't get paragliding today either, so I'm kind of depressed about that. It's your fault. Yes. But yeah, so I will update you guys when we get there. That's one thing. Everybody eats sandwiches here. I can't can't eat a sandwich every day. Literally,
That's Indian food.
you see people,
2 times.
you see people walking and eating sandwiches. I'm not about to do that.
Indian food 2 times. It was very good. Place.
The best place though is Lucerne. Has the best restaurants and foods. But I'll make sure to do a video of like the best things to visit and do and eat in Switzerland. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Bye. So we have made it to Broc where we're going for our chocolate workshop at Cailler. There is a lot of black ice everywhere, and it is not fun, but it's okay. Look at the background.
Oh, look.
There's like nothing here. Nothing here. Like we're here. It is almost 9 o'clock. Our event is workshop is not even until 10:15. So we have an hour and a half to kill. An hour and a half to kill. We have an hour and a half to kill, and we need to find a restaurant because after this we're gonna be hungry. So that's what's happening.